What if you could spot process problems before they become crises? Control charts make it possible. Welcome to the Lean Six Sigma world. In this video, we will explore control charts. You will learn how to create them. You will see how they reveal process stability. But before we dive in, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And hit that notification bell so that you never miss our power-packed videos. Let's get started. So, what is a control chart? A control chart is a graph of process data over time. It shows normal variation with control limits. It flags unusual shifts. These shifts signal potential issues. What is the purpose of control charts? Control charts help maintain consistent quality. They detect special cause variation fast. Teams use them to prevent defects. They also verify improvements. What are the key components of control charts? Data points plotted in time order. Center line representing the process average. Upper control limit, UCL. 3 standard deviations above the mean. Lower control limit, LCL. 3 standard deviations below the mean. What are the steps to create a control chart? 1. Select the metric. Choose a critical quality characteristic. 2. Collect data. Gather samples at regular intervals. 3. Calculate statistics. Compute the mean and standard deviation. 4. Plot the chart. Draw the center line, UCL and LCL. Plot data points. 5. Review regularly, update chart with new data. How to interpreting the chart. Point beyond limits. A value outside UCL or LCL signals a special cause. Run of points, 7 or more points, on one side of the center line indicate a shift. Trend 5 points in a row, rising or falling, suggest a systematic change. Zone tests, patterns within zones between the center line and limits, reveal slow drifts. In conclusion, control charts turn raw data into clear insights. They empower teams to act before defects spread. Start by choosing one key metric. Build your first chart this week. If you found this guide useful, subscribe to the Lean Six Sigma world. Share your control chart stories in the comments. Let's improve processes together. Stay tuned, because we have more exciting Lean Six Sigma insights coming your way. Thanks for your valuable time, and I will see you in the next